Guys, I'm Natasha and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing just a short little review and sneak peek at some brushes that I ordered off of a website called giftideasforwomen.com, and the letter 4 instead of FOR. It's a pretty cute website. I think that it's supposed to be for men or other individuals who are looking for ideas for gifts for women, hence the name of the site. And it's pretty cute. It's organized in a manner where you can choose the category of women that you like. They have some beauty products on there, and a lot of their products you can see probably come from a warehouse in China or overseas somewhere, but they look like they were hand selected as quality products. So I was like, let me order some. So I ordered 3 sets of makeup brushes that were so cute. Let me show them right here. And as you can see, I have a theme that I like: blue, rose gold, and white. And then this one has the purple on it. They're so cute. And they were inexpensive too. I can't remember the exact prices, but I will list them below and link them below in the description of this video. The first one is this one with the purple on it. And it has little gemstones inside of it that move. Let me see if you can hear it. You can hear them shake around. And it's super cute. And they're very soft and just look like nice brushes. Oh my gosh, I have a million alarms going off. But so it came with, this one in particular came with 7 brushes, 3 smaller ones. This is an interesting one, this little slanted one, and then 4 bigger ones. And I really like this slanted one here, and these 2 are kind of similar, but this one's a little bit more rectangular shape. Let me get focus. More of a rectangular shape, and this one's more circle. So super nice. Let me show you the next set, which is this one. They have like little unicorn twirly, let me get it to focus, little unicorn twirly handles, and this is a light pink. It's kind of bright right now on the camera. And they also feel very sturdy. They don't feel cheap. They gave me 4 smaller brushes and then 5 bigger brushes. Let me show you the smaller ones. These ones are kind of similar except for the actual shape of the tip, but the sizes of them are the same. And then same for these ones. And then you have this beautiful little fan brush right here, which that looks like it'll be great for highlight. Last but not least, I have this one, which has the most brushes out of all of them. It has 5 little brushes, this real interesting flat ones, and all of them have one like this with a pointed small one, and then they have 5 bigger ones, and this one of them is this little fan brush as well, which I like the other fan brush better, and of the one with the unicorns in it. And this one's got like a glitter unicorn type swirl handle. So all of these brushes are super cute, super soft, super affordable, great little gift ideas. If you do buy from the site, their shipping is kind of not very specific on there, but I can say that whenever I ordered these, I had free shipping, and it came in like 2 weeks, I think, or something, which is not bad at all. So if you wanted to order some and you're waiting, those are pretty much the details on that. So I have not put powder on my face. I need to put some concealer on and carve out my brows, and I was hoping to use one of these little brushes to do it. So I'm just going to put a little bit of concealer here and a little on the top and here. Okay, so I'm first going to do this with my sponge and blend out the bottom concealer so that it doesn't dry funny. But the ones at the top, I'm kind of letting it sit a little bit so it's not as runny whenever I use it. Let me move in a little closer and grab a little flat brush. So this one in particular, the blue one, has got a very flat tip. So we will see how this does with the concealer. It's very nice. I like the shape. I'm just getting things because they're cute, not really because I need them. But these shapes are very unique. I haven't seen many companies with them, so that's really a benefit on top of them just being really cute. It's doing a good job. So like my eyebrow brush, I still have to use mine. These are kind of just bigger brushes, which I like them. I have the smaller brushes, so I'm not complaining about it. But if you're trying to do a first brush set for yourself and to only use these brushes, they're not a complete set. You need other brushes. Alright, now I'm going to go into my Mercier powder and use one of these brushes to do so. I'm going to use one of the ones with the glitter inside of it. And grab some powder to set under my eyes and my face. So I'm not exactly sure what each of these brushes' purposes are, or specified by the people who made the brush. I can't they weren't labeled whenever I bought them, and I didn't get anything in the packaging that told me details about the brushes. But this one's doing fairly well. Usually I would use my big flat let me see if I can build up a bake. Can I do that? Just a little bit. Alright, I'm going to go into my sponge with the powder because I want to set my face. Alright, so I'm going to let this powder bake, and I'm going to go in to my eyes. I'm not sure what I want to do today yet. Look, let me see. Do they have a big fluffy brush? Yes. Okay, so the unicorn one has a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to go into just a brown and to blend it out. It's definitely picking up product nicely, and it's very soft. Very, 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 very soft. And I'm going to go in with another fluffy brush by the little unicorn, pink unicorn one. I don't know what to call these brushes. And go into a little darker brown and just define it a little bit more. It's nice too. The bristles of this brush is very spread apart, and it's very fine, so it's perfect for blending it out. So it doesn't grab too much product to make it look patchy. Alright, then I want to go into a pop of color. Let me see, what color do I want? Alright, so I was going to do a more natural look today, but I'm feeling like being dangerous. So I want to go into, since I'm going to go into a purple color, I'm going to use my purple tipped brush. Go into this color Gem from the Vault collection, and it's actually a satin. I've never applied it with the brush. Usually I just use my fingers. We'll see how this looks. color is probably not the best one to have chosen to use brush with, but I'll use another color and kind of fade it out on top. But this brush is really nice. It's got a fine tip, which is really good for carving out that corner. They have, so I'm just going to use my own and kind of go back into that color, mix it with another purple matte, a little darker, and stamp. Because the other brushes were a little too fluffy for me to get a good color build. This is turning out nice. Just see if I can blend out this edges. To the purple again. And see how much I can build this up. Then I'm going to go into my finger and just dab that in the corner. That's super bright. And kind of blend out the crease again. And I'm going to see how I can pack down, ooh, some of this glitter color on the lid. Alright, that worked well. So now I'm just going to go on the bottom lash line with one of these other purples. Fine brush, so hopefully it'll work well, and it is working well. A very smoky wing type thing. And I'm wondering if one of these fine brushes would be able to help me out. One of these flat tipped ones. There's this color in here called Buried Treasure. And hopefully I don't just ruin my eye look by doing this. I tap it on the edge. That's working out nice. Let me do the other side. I'm taking that fluffy brush, blend it out a little bit. It's looking good. Highlight the inner corner. Alright, let me take one of these big fluffy brushes and kick off the bake. Alright, so my lashes are on, and let's do my contour. Usually I use a big fluffy brush to go into my butter bronzer first, but I'm just going to use this one. Oh my gosh, this brush matches my makeup. Maybe that's why I wanted to do purple today. The brush inspired me. Inspired look by a brush. Oh my gosh. So this is a pretty tough job for a brush to do. Is to be wiggled and turned and pushed all over the face. It's not breaking, so that's good. It doesn't feel like I should do this with this brush every single day. But I probably won't, because I like my big fluffy one better. Because the bigger and the fluffier, the smoother the contour. Warm up the face. Now I'm going to take one of these little angled brushes. Alright, let me take one little brush and do my nose contour. Strap the sides. Now I'll go in to warm up the nose. My nose is pretty straight, but it's a weird lines, bumps on it, where I like to just smooth it out. Okay, alright, now there's a little curved brush that looks very interesting. Slanted and a little bit more fluffy, and I'm going to go into my darker bronzer and define this line a little bit more. Just fluff it out and then make it a little bit more concentrated on the front. So you get that line. Alright, now I need a blush brush. Let me use this big fluffy one I used my bronzer, and I'll just fluff it off on my hand. It's okay. Go into my blush. I just do a little bit more. Alright, now for my favorite part, we will see how these little fan brushes do. So I have two fan brushes. I have this one, it's a little bit more spread out, and then this one that's a little bit more spread out, and one that's a little bit more dense. We'll see how they go. Let me go with the little spread out one first. In my Master Chrome, I'm doing two highlighters and just fluff it in. I've never used one of these fan brushes, so we'll see how it goes. Lightly on top. Is it doing anything? It is. It's a very natural soft look. It's not picking up a lot of product from the Maybelline because I'm not pressing that hard. Its bristles are soft, but that's nice. Very nice. A little on the forehead and a little down the nose. Let me see, I like to and then let me go into this halo. Go into this one, which this is my holy grail highlighter, with a thicker one, more condensed. God, look at that. Look at that. Oh, I might have done too much. Alright, I need to do my finger for right here. I'm gonna go over and just fade it out a little bit up here. So, too straight. Girl, look at that highlight. Alright, last thing. Actually, I am done. Alright, so this video was a lot of fun. I know it might have been not that exciting, but these brushes are super cute. We'll definitely be using them again. My gosh, there's so many of them. Look at this. Hold on, if I could grab all of them. Oh my gosh, I love all these brushes. They're so nice, and they're so pretty, soft, and they do a great job. They're not my complete hit, of course, but you know, for something nice to look at, and that's quality stuff, definitely worth the money. I will link all of their information below. I hope you liked this look. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell before you leave so you can get notified of future uploads that I do. And I hope that you have a fabulous rest of your day. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.